Keep going. There.
Yay!
Yay!
Yes, he got it!
Yay!
No!
We'll get that out here in a minute.
See, let's turn it around. Look. Ooh. No, it's in there.
Oh! Yep, you can use your feet too.
Ooh, tag.
Pull it out. Pull it out. What is it?
Of course.
What'd you get?
We had one, but like it was like wide and then really short. So like it.
That looked like a touchdown to me.
Is that for when you watch football with Papa?
What's the tag?
You ever watch football with Papa and wear 'em? You're gonna be a little Colts baby, aren't you?
Oh, you got another one.
Whoa, this one makes noise.
Here. Put your hand in there and grab it.
Oh, bless you. Here. There, try that.
There you go.
Oh! Look. Oh, I know you know how. Come on, pull. There you go. Right here. Here. Yep, grab that piece. Yep. What is that?
See the paper?
At the doctor's office, I couldn't keep you from ripping up the paper.
Oh man, that entertained him the whole time, playing with that paper.
Well, the toy already fell out.
His, what'd you do with his little rag? It's about ready to go into his mouth.
Ew.
It was just sitting right over here.